The Secret Life of iPhone 5, Hidden Tips You Didn't Know About. Hey iPhone fanatics! Still holding on to that classic iPhone 5? You might think you know everything about it, but trust me, this phone has secrets. We're diving deep into hidden features and cool tricks you probably never knew existed. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your trusty device. Let's get started. Did you know your iPhone 5 has powerful accessibility features? They're not just for those with specific needs. They can make everyday tasks way easier for everyone. One cool trick is speak selection. Highlight any text, and your iPhone will read it aloud. Perfect for proofreading emails or listening to articles on the go. Another hidden gem is Assistive Touch. This creates a virtual button on your screen, giving you quick access to frequently used functions. Customize it to your liking for ultimate convenience. The iPhone 5 camera might seem dated, but it's still capable of taking amazing photos. You just need to know the right tricks. Tap and hold on the screen to lock focus and exposure. This is crucial for capturing sharp images in challenging lighting conditions. Use the volume buttons as a shutter release. It feels more natural and can help you avoid camera shake. Experiment and see the difference. Battery life is always a concern, especially with an older phone. But don't worry, we've got some tricks to squeeze every last drop of power. Disable background app refresh for apps you don't use frequently. This prevents them from draining your battery when you're not actively using them. Turn off location services for apps that don't need them. Constant GPS tracking can significantly impact battery life. Be selective and save power. Typing on a small screen can be frustrating. But your iPhone 5 has hidden keyboard shortcuts that can speed things up. Create custom text replacements for frequently used phrases. Type a short abbreviation, and your iPhone will automatically expand it into the full phrase. Double tap the space bar to insert a period. It's a small trick, but it saves time and effort. Master these shortcuts and become a typing ninja. Siri might seem basic on the iPhone 5, but it still has some useful tricks up its sleeve. Use Siri to set reminders, alarms, and timers. It's much faster than manually setting them. Just speak your command, and Siri will take care of the rest. Ask Siri to identify songs playing nearby. It's a quick and easy way to discover new music. Just say, "Hey Siri, what song is this?" So there you have it, a treasure trove of hidden tips and tricks for your iPhone 5. Who knew this classic phone had so much to offer? Don't underestimate the power of your trusty device. With these secrets, you can unlock its full potential and enjoy it even more. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep rocking that iPhone 5. Thanks for watching.